Hey everyone, Chris Bounds here with Rudy. We just closed on his house. He didn't have to leave the house. We've got a mobile notary to come all the way out here. That way he can finish up with packing. We'll fund tomorrow, and he's on his way out of town. So, hey Rudy, you looked and explored a few different options before you ended up just going with a listing. I know you were working with some local investors. What made you decide to go for a listing?
Well, I called like 4 or 5 of these guys, and they were all giving me lowball bids, which I thought, in my eyes, the numbers were kind of low. And so I said, well, maybe there's another option where I can go. And then that's when I asked you. And you said, yeah, there's some other options, but a little bit different, but it's almost the same thing, what you said. And I said, okay, well, let's try that, because I'm not getting the money that I want from my house, or that I thought I could get from my house, based on everything else that's involved with the property in the area. So we listed it, and sure enough, we found more takers with bigger amounts, and here we are. We found one that was willing to pay what we were at.
Yeah, I went back and counted. We had over 200 phone calls and texts, and that ended up in 22 offers. Virtually all of them were higher than any offer that you had gotten before, and ultimately netted you a little bit more. So how'd the process go for you?
I thought it was great, because it didn't really take long. We had the open house one weekend, and by the next week we were already having an agreement. So,
a few weeks later, now we're closed.
Now we're closed, and that was just my fault, because I needed more time to move out. But we could have been closed last week. So
yeah,
but we're done. I'm happy with the process.
All right,
I got what I wanted. That's the main thing.
And that's what's important. What's important. Would you recommend us to others?
Absolutely.
We appreciate working with you. It's been fun.